Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Sugar Tile application. So Sugar Tile is basically an online application that have got really popular and all over the social media, and a lot of people are talking about it. So this is a simple game where you can actually earn money by playing simple tasks. This is what they're claiming, and as you can see, it is available in Google Play Store and had 10,000 plus downloads. Now let's dive in, find out what's actually behind all those ads. As you can see, in this game you're supposed to match the different simple and similar tiles, and you can earn money if you complete a certain amount of games or win the games actually. So now let's find the reviews of the people, what people are saying. The thing is, from all the indications, the answer is simple no. So you cannot actually earn the money that they will show you that you're actually earning money, this is your wallet, but the thing is you cannot actually withdraw the money based on these review on this website. So I tried searching for reviews on any other website as well and got to know this platform or this app is just a scam, and that promises players hours of fun and the opportunity to earn, but it is just advertised as a legit cash earning game, but it is not actually a legit platform. Now the thing is, how can these kind of apps earn money? So there is a simple strategy. They will showcase a lot of ads to the reviewers, and they will get the money in return from those companies of which they are showing the ads, and then they will not pay you even a single penny. So based on these reviews, and this is a scamming strategy, I would say this platform or this application is completely a scam, and you should avoid investing your time on this application. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.